Go.
Hello, my name is Nick and I work at Russ Darrow Metro Mazda, and I am here to tell you guys a little bit more about our financing options that we do have here. We do have a financing option here called Sunbit Finance. It's where you can stretch out your repair order bill payment to 3, 6 to 12 months. If you don't have the money to pay for everything for the repair order today, you can always finance with Sunbit. It is a quick and easy application. It is no hard credit check, and it does get reported to a credit bureau. You do have to be 18 years or older to apply for Sunbit, and it does have a 90% approval rate for applicants. If you ever feel like you're in a bind and you don't want to pay for the whole repair order bill now, you can always finance with Sunbit Finance. Again, my name is Nick at Russ Darrow Metro Mazda, and I hope to see you guys soon.